Hello, I'm Jerram-Hunnable. I'm Renwick Sons Showing Ambassador. I'm here today to talk you through using the kit. Let's look at the body brush. Anti-bacterial, anti-frizz again. I love this. It's fitted to my hand, Velcro do up there, you pop your hand in. It's not tight enough because I feel I'm getting too much movement through the back of my hand. I just tighten it up. I mean, I do that every time I use it because you never put your hand in the same place. It supports my wrist through here. I've had wrist problems in the past and actually I need the support through there. Fingers go in this little hole here, it stops your hand. Most brushes your hand shunts backwards and forwards. With the Renwick Sons brushes your hand cannot do that, so it's absolutely smashing for me. Lovely inch length brush, even brush all the way through, and it's just a lovely feel. The horses love the body brush. Again, like our rubber curry comb which we had earlier, this I love because it massages. This one I love, it just finishes off before the finishing brush with a great flick to it to flick all the dirt out before we polish off. A really useful part. I believe all these brushes complement each other, and without one you need the whole kit to finish the horse off properly.